So this is a warning, guys. This is a warning for, if you're a hardworking dad or a hardworking mom, and you've been working at your job forever. You show up every day. You work overtime. You apply for extra hours. You're almost a company man if you're not, or a company woman. Guys, the warning is this: don't do like I did. And if you don't know who I'm Daryl Hannah, guys. And a couple years ago, I used to work a job as a welder for 14 years, guys. I gave that job everything, jeopardized my family, jeopardized my marriage, missing missed out on years with my son and my daughter, and I mean just miserable. Not only behind on debt, living paycheck to paycheck, but outside of that, guys, I gave that job everything. And then on a regular Tuesday, guys, after giving that job 14 years of my life, thinking I've got it made, planning for retirement, they came in and they fired me, guys. They came in and they fired me. They fired me and seven people in my department. It went away. And it was an eye opener for me, because we get comfortable at these jobs, and we think, oh, just because they pat us on the back and we're running production and we're hitting all the numbers, that they care about us. Guys, these jobs do not care about you. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket at a job. You have to have your plan B. And this is something that I didn't have. And this is the reason why when I got fired from that job, I was homeless for 3 months. And that's when I told myself, you know what? I'm never going to allow this to happen again. I'm never, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I just wasn't having it, guys. I wasn't going to allow myself to get in that position. And then, of course, I went into the online space. I knew people were making money. I went into the online space looking for ways to make money. And then I discovered digital marketing. And that's when I discovered this program that I'm in right now, guys, that in just 4 months has paid me about $87,000 just working 2 hours a day. And the reason why I've been able to do this is because when I purchased the digital product, guys, I have now learned the skills to be able not only to create content, but I know how to market online. I know how to attract my perfect customer. My business is fully automated, and it runs 24 hours a day. I've never heard anybody tell me no. I've never heard anybody tell me no in this business. And the thing about it, guys, is that now I have true time freedom. I'm able to not only earn a full-time income, but I'm able now to spend more time with my family. I'm able to do the things that I love to do. I don't have to build anything. I don't have to talk to people, because my business is automated. And I just want you to understand that there is another way. And don't be like me, guys. So if you're looking for a system, guys, because this program is what has allowed me now to to have true time freedom, and live a life that I never would have been able to live if had I still been at that job, even before they did fire me, guys. So it ended up being a blessing. But I don't want you to make the same mistake as I made, guys. So if you're looking for something that's more long term, something where you can learn a skill so that you don't have to worry about if someone's going to fire you, and you can make a full-time income making $600, $900 a day just working 2 hours a day, guys. If you want to know the program that I'm a part of, if you want to learn these skills so that you can spend more time with your family, so that you can build a legacy, guys, then put the word info in the comment section so I can send you guys over that info.